would say I have a good third of the room done. I have most of my laundry picked up off the floor. I got my bed cleaned off. But I still need to vacuum it and remake it with some new sheets and stuff. Welcome to my floor. Today we're going to be trying to see what is under my bed. Take a look at what we found. We have a shoe, my middle school, junior high student council shirt, a box with nothing in it. Love that. Piece of paper with art on it. This random picture. I might actually keep this, like paint over it white and reuse it. Oh, maybe not. Another random box. Oh, there's a letter in it. Lucky penny. My mama always told me lucky pennies are a gift. The angels throw on angels throw on here when someone needs a lift. And so I give this gift to you. Thought it doesn't look like much. It's filled with a special meaning and is blessed by an angel touch. There are so many typos in this. There's not even a penny in that box. It's just this. Like, okay. Found a sack. An empty thing of Chex Mix, and dirt. That's what we found on this side, so. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, and a pillow. Got a pillow. That's fun. Okay, time lapse. Chat while we work over here. I call this my hypochondriac box. It has all my braces in it. We got some wrists, some knees, some ankles, and this box has saved my life many times. So we're gonna put this in an extra special spot over on my bookshelf. Got some lotion. I might actually keep that in here. Got some food. It's stale. Okay. Got a little chippy clip. Mint. I think I'll bring that downstairs for a video. Changing out the verse of the week. Greater is he that is in you than he that is in the world. 1 John 4:4. Stick that right on in there. Beautiful. Okay. I'm working on getting my yoga box together. So some hair ties, some clips. This needs to go in my snack drawer, so we'll keep that there. This needs to go somewhere. Why is this so heavy? All back here. Oh my goodness, it's coins. It is all coins. Got any money? Nope. Got a hefty amount of coins going on here. It's pretty nice. Pretty swell. And we'll keep that in there. Okay. This goes over here. Okay. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get right now. I can sit on this floor now. All we have to do is clean inside of this and we'll be almost done. It is currently 1:26 and I am super tired. I've been cleaning since like 11-ish and I'm almost done. I just have to make my bed, mop, put a few more things away, but I think it's time for a break and get some food, work on some homework, and then get back at it. So my bed is pretty much made. I'm just waiting on my blanket and comforter to get washed and my pillowcases to get washed, but this is what we're looking at right now. Still got 2 more pillows. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them. Gotta sweep up that disaster. But I think we're looking looking pretty good. And yeah, we're pretty much done here.